Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tiffany, and today's video is going to be on how I got this look right here using all drugstore and affordable products. Okay, all setting spray, foundation, concealer, powder, brows, eyeshadow, eyelashes. Okay, I'm coming hard for y'all with this video with this drugstore too. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and what products I use to achieve this, then make sure you just stay tuned to the video. While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat. Okay, so I already got y'all up close, personal, and my business because we're going to jump right into the eyes. And I'm going to be using two palettes today. I'm going to be using the Taking Back to Brazil palette. This one is what we're mostly going to be using. And then the NYX Machinist Grind palette. I'm going to here for one shimmer color, but that's it. But we're going to be in this bad boy the most. So let's go into this palette. I'm gonna mix these two orange shades right here. And I'm gonna take my Morphe M505 brush and blend that on my eye. My eye is already primed with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Fawn. Literally on this eye, you can't even tell that I have orange over there or that I had orange over there. I'm gonna be going in next, taking this green shade right here and popping that in my crease. With that same brush, I'm gonna take this shade right here and just deepen that crease up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease now with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Y'all know this is my bae, so anytime I'm going drugstore, this is what I'm using. We're going to go back into the Taking Back to Brazil palette and dip into this purple shade right here and pop that on my inner and outer corner with the Morphe M514. Oh, just a little tip. If you have little eyes like mine, if you have like not any lid space really, I find it easier to work with my eyeshadow if I like raise my eyebrow up, you know, like you real surprised, and just get in there because it stretches your lid out a little bit and gives you more area to work with. For all my hooded eye queens out there, that's for y'all. Finally, we're going into the Grind palette by NYX, and we're going to be taking this green shimmer shade right here. I'm gonna start by placing it on my lid with my finger. Okay, I'm just gonna take a little bit on this Alamar brush. I did spray the brush just to get right in the crease so it's very defined at the top. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on, and then I'm going to be right back. I'm back. The lashes are on. The only thing I know is that these are Eylure lashes. I do not know what style, so don't try to fight me. I know I have an issue with taking them out the pack and throwing them in my lash drawer, so don't judge me. I'm gonna try to do better. But let's go ahead and go into primer. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Master Prime, and you know, I love this stuff. Oh, I may have put a little bit too much on. All right, I'm gonna work with it. This is the Blur and Smooth primer, so just if you wanted something that was blurring, I would recommend this. I love this primer. So if you're looking for a good drugstore one, this is it. For foundation today, we're going to be using the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Mate Foundation in the shade D40. I was going to go for my next one, but I was like, I know y'all tired of me. So I decided against it. I am going to mix in 1 pump of the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and I have that in Warm Mahogany, just because I feel like I need a little bit more coverage and the CoverGirl is not doing it for me. To highlight and contour, I'm going to be taking 2 of the NYX Wonder Sticks, and I have one in deep and I have one in deep dark. So I'm going to place down the one I have in deep under my eye first. Then I'm going to use a little bit of the highlighter side on the deep dark and place it directly under there, just so I have a seamless when I'm done doing my contour and all that. This concealer also does not dry down. If that's something you're into, you won't be into this. So I'm going to take the contour color out of the deep dark because it actually is dark enough for me. I'm going to go ahead and spray my beauty blender, and then I'm going to start buffing all of this in. I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye and all the areas that I highlighted with my Makeup Revolution banana powder. And I'm going to take that on a beauty blender. While my face is baking its life away, I'm going to my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette and take this shade right here and contour my face. I'm going to spray my face and then pat some of this powder down just so I can stop looking like whatever I'm looking like right now. I'm gonna do my under eye now, and I'm gonna use this NK lip pencil, but I'm gonna use it for my under eyes because it's orange and I think that would be cute. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna go back into the Grime palette, and I'm going to take this shade right here and dust that on my lower lash line. That is perfect enough for me. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and go into blush, and I'm gonna use this Black Radiance blush in Toasted Almond. Today we're going to use the Milani highlighter, and it's in the number 04 for highlight today, and I'm going to use my Luxie highlighting brush to apply it. Milani, hey girl. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips with the NK pencil in brown. I'm going to be taking the NYX Butter Gloss in Praline. This smells so good. I'm gonna spray my face, and I'm gonna be using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. You have officially made it to the end of the video, and I know y'all are like, whew, girl, thank God, you was doing too much. But if you're here and you made it, thanks so much. Y'all are the bomb. But if you like how this video turned out and you like how this look turned out, then let me know down in the comments below. Let me know if some of these products I use are some of your go-to products from the drugstore, or you hate some of the products I use. I want to know. I'm curious. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, make sure before you leave you click the subscribe button. It's also a little watermark right here in the left corner. So if you don't even want to scroll down, click that. It'll be right there. You can press subscribe right there. Make sure you turn the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And that's all I have for this video. So like I always say, I'm your girl Tiffany. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.